modern commercial jet is a marvel. We fly without hesitation, trusting the aviation professionals to lift us to our destinations. Aviation professionals trust the exceptional talent and expertise of Chemetall. Chemetall is an approved and future-oriented partner, offering a fully integrated and innovative portfolio of products and services for OEMs, subcontractors, and MROs. So the aerospace industry can elevate to new heights with local and global support. Boost the efficiency of the aircraft structure and fuselage with a complete line of surface treatment and conditioning products. Enhance the economy and safety of your engines. The quality and reliability of your fuel tank. The cost-effective and comprehensive care of landing gears. And interior and exterior maintenance between each flight. Increase your confidence with Chemetall's multiple global, regional, and industry approvals. The focus of all our innovation is you, our valued customer. With environmentally progressive, efficient, and sustainable solutions. Chemetall. Expect more.